Okay, so on the bench today, we've got another golden tea here. And this is actually a friend of the guy who brought me the other boards. His board all of a sudden went. And he said, yeah, they were playing it, and all of a sudden they got a faint whiff of magic smoke. He brought it to me, and I said, oh, I see the problem right away. I don't know if you guys do or not yet, but yep, I'd say that's taking a shit. So now I did notice that little bit of corrosion, but I mean, oh, it's kind of in there. I don't really notice much. I mean, I notice a couple little black smudges here and there that can be cleaned up. Nothing real rotten, especially up here. There's nothing really bad here. I did notice some weird stuff happening here. And that's odd. I don't understand what's happening there or where this came from or who did that, but normally they don't look like that. So what I'm going to do here is, oops, let me back way out of here. I'm going to get it all, oh, and also on the JAMA too. I mean, that is not dirt. That is literally like on there. I wonder how bad the other side is. I can feel that. That's how bad that is. I wonder if something over voltaged or something that went crazy. I have no idea. But yeah, so let me get set up here. I'll turn it on, and I want to see if this gets hot and this, or if it's just this. You know, this is already toast, so this is probably going to get warm unless it's dead. But I want to know if this gets hot or not. Okay, let me turn that off. Let me back you out here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to remove this because I don't want that in there as this is booting here. Let's see if we can't check that out. Who made this? Huh. Okay. So let's boot this up. And let's see what happens here. Let me get this away so I can see exactly what's happening here too. Does this get hot? Does this get hot? Oh, but we got that flashy flash like that. Is that getting hot? No, not hot, but it's warm. Is that getting hot? Nope. Okay. So yeah, that's toast. And I don't see anything on screen, which is funny because he said it was going into a constant state of reset. That's actually not getting too warm at all. Oh, I thought it, oh, what's happening here? Is that when I touch it? Does it go back on? Is that just me? No, it's on. Yeah, Is anything else getting stupid warm here? No. Oh. No, everything seems okay. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to remove this. Let's get this out of here. Okay, so we got that off. And, you know, I don't trust this. Let me get this removed here because I really do not trust that. Because for some reason it just, I don't know, they seem to correlate between the two. Get out of there. Oh, that is corroded. That is definitely corroded all on this side right here. I know you can't see, but it definitely is. Let me show you. Oh yeah. Pins 1, 2, 3. They're definitely corroded here. Oops. Let me get that focus off there. Yeah, and they're definitely corroded. So, did my best to clean that up just once I handled it here. But yeah, you can see where there is some shit in between here. I'm not exactly sure what that is. See all those little white marks everywhere? Let me see if I can get that to stay put. Let me see if I can get it in here a little more. See that stuff right there? In between. Stop. In between here, like all that stuff there, those little things, that's what's all over. Hang on. That's what's all over this card, too. That white stuff. This. It looks like old flux and stuff, but it's... I don't know. I don't know exactly what the hell that's all about. So, okay. Now that we got that, let me go ahead. Now that we got this off, we got this removed. Let's see if we get a difference here. Like, is this going to start to flash like it's supposed to? Are we going to get an image on screen? I like that reset. Oh, yeah, there we go. Okay, that looks better. But we still do not have an image on screen. Oh, yes, we do. Yes, we do. Oh, now it just went away. But no, it was there. Oh, no, it definitely was there. I seen the small writing. Hold on here. Let's see if we can get that to come back here. What was that all about? Oh, don't worry about that. See, that should disappear already. Oh, there we go. Yes. That should stay that way, though. It shouldn't go back to no signal, so we might have something else going on here as well. But yeah, that is definitely better. I hope we do not have an issue with that fucking video card too. Yeah, okay, see, we got it back now. The image is back. Still there. Oh, now it just did a reset, I assume. Yep, I think it did. Yep, it failed. Okay, so yeah, it locks up after it goes through that. So we should get... See, we should have image right away. Okay, we do. Sorry, but now it's gone away. So here's a reset. We should get image. And we don't. But then we do. So yeah, okay, let me figure out what's going on here. We know we got to replace that chip to begin with, so let me figure out what else is going on here. Okay, we got the new chip on there. Well, not new, but pulled from a board. I don't even know if it works, but they're simple enough to change out. Let's give her a shot. Let's make sure that we have proper video and nothing is going haywire here. I am going to clean that jam harness. I don't like that. So, everything good to go here? Yep. Let's make sure we're not out of control here. Hey. That's what I'm talking about. It's exactly what we want to see. So let me just do a reset here. We should have instantaneous video. Boom. And we do. Okay, so now the only thing left to do is to make sure that we are booting okay. I'll use my drive and stuff to make sure this is working. I don't know what this is, to be honest. I don't know if it's an O5 or whatever it is. So no, it looks like the video card's okay because that showed up fine. I think this was just really bugging out here. There must have been some shit around here. I want to check that inductor. Is that inductor even on these boards? No, it's not. Okay. What am I doing here? I don't even know. Whoops. I don't exactly know what image is on this drive, but we'll figure it out here in a second. Just want to make sure everything is okay. I should use his drive, shouldn't I? Yeah, let me use his drive to make sure everything's okay. Hold on here. Let me get rid of this. Hold on here. Give me 2 seconds. Let me get set up. Okay, change of plans. I'm actually going to use mine here. And it looks like we're already okay so far. Let's make sure that this actually boots up properly. And then we'll go with his drive to make sure everything's okay. It looks all right. What do we got here? We got good hardware version. We got good serial number. We got good everything. That's not proper. But that's probably because there's no fucking... no battery in it. And there's no modem in it, so that's okay. Hold on here. This could be a bad... Well, you guys can't see shit, can you? Okay, let me figure this out, and then I'll be back. So what do you know? It's fine now, and I'm using his drive. So I do have something. I got a weird image going on here that does not like to. It does not play fair. It really doesn't. But that was it. That was your issue there. Is this chip right here, and it just, man. I'm starting to notice more and more and more of these going. I don't exactly know why, but it seems to have to do with it. I don't know what is happening here that causes that to happen, but I mean, well, there we go. It's pretty much all she wrote, so that'll work. I mean, you know, it's not a super expensive repair, but I mean, it's an expensive repair, but still, I mean, for the price of these boards, I mean, it's well worth it. Well worth it if that's the only issue. So yeah, I think that'll do it for this one, and you guys know what to do. Like, comment, subscribe, all that fun stuff, and I'll see you in the next one.